Tēnā koutou. I have heard that you all have been doing mahi pai. Good work. Tino pai, well done. This week in Te Reo Māori, we are going to be learning some more colours. What were the colours that we learnt last week? Can you help me? One started with Wero. That's right, and that colour is red. Tino pai. The next colour that we learnt was, can you remember? I think it started with kakariki. Tino pai, well done to those who remembered kakariki. And kakariki is green. The last colour that we learnt was yellow. Can you remember how to say yellow in Te Reo? Kowhai. Tino pai to those people who remembered. Kowhai is yellow. This week we are learning 3 new colours. The first colour is blue. I wonder if anyone has any idea how to say blue in Te Reo. Kikorangi! Fantastic to those people who knew that kikorangi was blue. Tino pai. I wonder if you can have a look around and see if you can spy any blue things, any kikorangi things. How many did you find? I have got some. Would you like to see? Can you count with me? Tahi, kikorangi. Rua, kikorangi. Toru, kikorangi. Wha, kikorangi. I have 4 kikorangi things, 4 blue things. The next colour we're going to learn is black. There are 2 ways of saying black. Today we are going to learn one of those ways. That way is pango. Can you say pango? I have a lot of pango things around me. I wonder if you can find as many different things in te ko seconds. Ready? Go! Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, te ko. Come back! Did you find any pango things? How many? Wow, that's a lot. I have found some too. Can you count with me? Tahi, pango. Rua, pango. Toru, pango. Wha, pango. Rima, pango. I have found rima, pango things. That's 5 black things. Did you find any more than me? The last colour we are going to do today is karaka. Karaka is, can you help me? It's orange. That's right. Tino pai. Karaka is orange. Now, I had a look earlier and I can't find many orange things, many karaka things in my house. I wonder if you can find more things than me. Why don't you have a quick look? How many did you find? I only found this many. How many is this? Rua. That is right. Tahi, rua. I found rua karaka things. 2 orange things. Now I have created a sheet for you to, just like last week, but with the new colours. You need to colour in the little splash and find the number of things and write them in the box or draw them in the box. There's also another sheet as well. This week you need to match up the colours to the words. You might need to have a grown-up to help you, but try your best. Let's go over the colours again. Kowhai is yellow. Whiro is red. Kakariki is green. Kikorangi is blue. Pango is black. And karaka is orange. Can you say the new words with me? Kikorangi. Your turn. Let's say it slower. It's a bit of a tricky one. I'll say it again. Kikorangi. Your turn. Say it with me. Kikorangi. Tino pai. Now let's say it a little bit faster. My turn. Kikorangi. Your turn. Do it with me. Kikorangi. Tino pai. The next one is pango. Can you say it with me? Pango. Well done. The last one we learnt today was karaka. I'll say it slow and then you can say it slow with me. My turn first. Karaka. Your turn. Say it with me. Karaka. Tino pai. Let's do it a bit faster. Karaka. Do it with me. Karaka. Well done, everyone. Mahi pai. Good work. That's all for this week. I will see you next week with some more te reo. Ka kite!